Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, I want to give you here an update on AMD, Advanced Micro Devices trading here on the Nasdaq. We can see that the actual price is here $123, which means we lost here minus 46% from the peak which we had here back in 2024. The problem is that the whole market is squeezing. We have all-time highs after all-time highs. Tesla squeezed to the price level as I predicted. All the other stocks are squeezing, Palantir is squeezing, but not AMD. And I want to show you here in this video why and what I think will happen next and if AMD is a good buy or not. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. I give you here my opinion based on the chart. If you're new to this channel here, guys, welcome. The main purpose is, of course, to educate you in trading. That's why we dive into here several chart techniques for AMD. But also I have a mission here. I try to predict short squeezes every day, guys, or at least every week. Of course, nobody's perfect, but I predicted here many squeezes in the past if you didn't know my channel yet. I also release here every Sunday my personal finest selection of short squeeze stocks. I call them the hot stocks. And when I release here my videos on Sunday, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next trading days. There is never a guarantee, of course, but I was successful on that many times. And here's just one of our last squeezes here when I released my video here on Sunday, one of my hot stocks. This is a 4 hours chart, guys. 3 days later, this ticker squeezed 192% in just 1 day. Very volatile, of course, but you can make a lot of money in the market if you know which tickers and how to trade them. So if you're also open for volatile short squeeze stocks, if you want to see them, guys, then of course you can join in here our very fast growing trading community, guys. This is here the full package membership on Patreon is the most popular membership which I have, where every day new members joining in. We are very a big community right now, and you get all the member benefits here when you join in the full package membership here, and of course also get access to my personal hot stocks. When you click here the info icon in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link. Everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. So guys, let's now dive in here to AMD. As we can see, first of all, I start here with the weekly chart, and we don't need this right now here. So of course AMD is in a very healthy uptrend, absolute bullish. I mean, look at this chart here, guys. We're talking here about prices of $1.61, and then we squeezed, or we grow up here over the years to $227. So whoever wants to let you know that this is a bearish stock, forget this, guys. AMD is super bullish, and I have no doubts that we will see even new all-time highs in the future. But the question is, what is a good buy in price range here? So therefore now I finally show you here my drawings. If you already see my previous videos on AMD, nothing changed here, and we are now here very close to my bullish buy-in price range, which I already predicted here weeks ago. Yeah, the last videos here, update videos, was here in February and then one in October here. My charts never change, guys, always the same. And I switch off now here for a second the indicators, that we can just focus here on the drawings. So what we know is that AMD is here in a very bullish uptrend. So we have this uptrend channel here, which is supporting the price. Usually it's like that. Every time when you hit here the bottom of this trend channel, then you see a reaction here to the upside. When you hit the top, you see a sell-off reaction to the downside. And especially when the stock is starting to squeeze out of an algo trend channel, this is more or less the beginning of a bigger sell-off. We have that for many stocks right now in the market. So I expect the market to cool off in the next weeks, guys, and then we will see for a few months a bear market. But for now, the market is still super bullish. For AMD, it's a different situation. We are not super bullish right now, since we also squeezed again here out of this trend channel, and you can see now we are here in the middle of this correction wave. And what I think will happen next, guys, we have one very significant price level here in the chart. I call them personally the make it or break it price levels, and for AMD this is this white line here, $122.74, guys. This is here a price range where we should not close below. As I said, we are here in a bullish uptrend, so There is a potential that we come even below that price range, but that will be, in my opinion, just a temporary dip before we start to go up again. Not financial advice. This is what I expect here from the chart, because we see where the algos are waiting and supporting the price here. $94 was more or less the bottom here back in 2023. Then we had this massive bull run, and here you can also see that over the months, even a ticker like AMD can gain here more than 140% here before, of course, a correction is coming in. So what I believe, guys, if we cannot hold $122.74, you can see we also had here a very huge response. The last time when we retested this price here in August 2024, immediately AMD start to recover from that here with a 42% bull run here, and now we correcting back again. So that means maybe we retest this bottom here one more time. If not, no worries, guys. Yeah, I think we are here very close to the bullish liquidity zone. This is this green box here. In my opinion, we will see a price correction not much lower than $109. If we would see a straight line today, which is of course technically, nothing is impossible in trading, but very unusual, then we talk here about a price of $103. This is the bottom of this trend channel here, and I think if we don't find support here right now for AMD, that we come lower a little bit here, back here to $104, $105, guys, and then we will retest at least $123 and see what is happening then. I think it is a reversal play here for AMD, which means when the market turns bearish for all the other tickers, Bitcoin, Tesla, whatever, guys, I think this is the moment where AMD starts to shine and where AMD will go up. This is what I strongly believe here. And also we can see, I will draw that here also for you in the chart, there is one strong support waiting here at $102. Yeah, I will draw that line for you here as well. This is what I think could be a retest. If we break that price level, then I am very welcome to buy this dip. But I think here, guys, somewhere here between $124 and $100, I think the bottom for AMD will be in. Because when we saw that here, what could happen, of course, everything is possible in trading, guys. But when we leave this trend channel pattern here, this bullish trend channel pattern, just trust the chart, guys. You don't need to trust me, just trust the chart. And this trend channel pattern is very reliable. And when we see fake outs, yeah, when the price dips below this trend channel here, we had the situation in 2020. Everybody knows what happens in 2020 in March. You can see then we had a shakeout here below this price level here, this trading channel, and then a massive squeeze reaction to the upside. Same situation here. We dropped out of this trend channel, panic. Everybody said, oh no, this is going to zero, guys. And the reaction was this, guys. We squeezed here from $54 all the way back up to new all-time highs at $272. Trust the chart. Don't read the news, guys. This is my opinion. But I think we will see here something in that range. And if we really drop below $100, I will be very, very welcome. Very happy to buy this dip here for AMD. Yeah, the price goes to the upside. The next make it or break it price level is $133.31. So this is the, let's call it, yeah, squeeze trigger or bull run price level. So when AMD closes above $133.31, this is very bullish, very in favor for the bulls. And when we close below that, that is of course here something like a neutral zone, since we have the support price level here in $122. Usually when the price is closing below that, then this is bearish. When it closes above that, it's bullish. So I think we will recover here somewhere in that range here for the next weeks, days or months, depending on what the market is doing. And the good news is, guys, we have here a lot of hidden signals in the chart from the market makers, which means we have a lot of open gaps to the upside. Sooner or later, yeah, maybe next year in the beginning or in the mid of next year, maybe in the end of 2025. Yeah, I cannot exactly say when, but I can tell you when it happens, when the price levels break. But we will see here at least $205 for AMD in the future. But I have no doubts that we also see new all-time highs. And what does that mean? Based on the actual price, at least 66% profit is possible here based on the technicals, and that makes it also a very, very good investment for the future. As I said, this is my opinion, not financial advice. Okay, guys, when you want to copy here my price levels from the chart, so then you can of course pause the video here. Everything what you see is based on TradingView. As I said, $122 is very significant. $133 acts like a resistance or support depending where the price is trading. and the next price goals here are $164, $174, and $205 for AMD. What you see here is called TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. You can of course also copy here my drawings if you get this program here, guys. And I always recommend here this program since I use it for all my trades and for all my videos. I can offer you a discount link. When you click here on the info icon in the corner, you get a $15 discount on the premium tier from TradingView. This is what I recommend to beginners and advanced traders, guys. And if you really want to learn trading, there is no way around that you get a good chart program. That's why I recommend TradingView. I am not sponsored by TradingView, guys. So, my friends, I hope this update here on AMD was helpful. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe button right now if you don't want to miss any updates. Don't forget here to check out my hot stocks here, guys. Brand new videos out right now. I thank you for your time, thank you for your support, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care, viel Erfolg mit AMD. Bye bye, guys.